Have you ever wondered if a single character could change the entire dynamic of how you play your favorite game, even before they officially arrive? A new legend is about to grace the world of Wuthering Waves. And if the whispers are true, he isn't just a new face. He's a strategic powerhouse ready to rewrite your team compositions. We're talking about Qiuyuan, the calm and resilient swordmaster from Huanglong, confirmed for the upcoming 2.7 patch. Fans have eagerly awaited his debut. And while his official kit remains under wraps from Kuro Games, the ever-reliable leak source, HakuZH.in, has given us a tantalizing peek behind the curtain. And let me tell you, what we're seeing is incredibly intriguing. Now, before we dive into the juicy details, a quick note. Remember, these are leaks, so things could always shift before release. But even with a grain of salt, Qiuyuan looks like a fascinating addition. He's an Aero Resonator, and from the looks of it, he slots perfectly into that critical Sub DPS role. Think of him as the agile, aerial artist who not only deals damage, but also amplifies your entire squad's effectiveness. Let's break down his reported kit, starting with his basic attacks. His normal attacks will dish out arrow damage, as you'd expect. But here's where it gets dynamic. A heavy attack consumes stamina for more arrow damage, and you can chain a special attack right after. You can even plunge from midair or counterattack after a successful dodge, adding a real flow to his combat. This isn't just button mashing, it's about timing and precision. His resonance skill, according to these leaks, offers versatility. A quick press unleashes a standard arrow attack, essentially an echo skill. But hold that button down, and Qiuyuan leaps into the air, consuming stamina to dash forward, dealing damage. No target nearby? No problem. He'll simply dash through the air, giving you incredible mobility. You can then follow up with a normal attack to land with a flourish, dealing even more damage. This opens up some serious tactical possibilities for positioning and evasion. Then we have his Resonance Liberation, his ultimate move. This ability blankets an area with arrow damage, again, classified as an echo skill. But here's the kicker, and this is where Qiuyuan truly shines as a support-focused Sub DPS. If his critical rate surpasses a certain threshold, he boosts the critical damage of all allies. Imagine the raw power your main DPS can unleash with that kind of buff. He isn't just hitting hard, he's making everyone hit harder. Now, for the heart of his unique playstyle, his Forte Circuit. This is where Qiuyuan's swordmaster identity comes to life. He builds a resource called Swordster's Soliloquy, accumulating up to 600 points. Hit his third basic attack stage, land a Thus Spoke the Blade, in quash, or pull off a dodge counter, and you earn 100 points each time. You can even get 400 points right off the bat with his intro skill. Once you hit 200 points, his basic attacks transform into Thus Spoke the Blade, in quash, a powerful 4-stage heavy attack that deals incredible damage. Reach 400 points, and your entire active team gets the Bamboo Shade effect, boosting their echo skill damage. And when your Swordster's Soliloquy is full, Qiuyuan enters the Ink Splash of Mind state. From here, you can consume those points with a normal attack to unleash various special heavy attacks, all dealing arrow damage and, critically, counting as echo skills. This means he synergizes beautifully with those echo skill damage bonuses he grants. Rounding out his kit, his intro skill delivers immediate arrow damage, while his outro skill attacks targets and provides incoming allies with echo skill damage amplification. So, every time you swap him in or out, he's actively boosting your team's damage potential. What we're seeing here is a character who combines personal damage with potent team-wide buffs, particularly for echo skills and critical damage. Qiuyuan looks like he could become a linchpin for many team compositions, adding both aerial finesse and strategic depth. So, are you ready to master the art of the sword with Qiuyuan and see how he elevates your Wuthering Waves experience? We certainly are. Stay tuned for his official reveal, and until then, you can find more insights and updates on Sportskeeda's Wuthering Waves Hub. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for all the latest breakdowns and analyses in the world of gaming and tech.